Sanibonani, ngisanazama ungena ku-www.tabuzit.com on Google njengoba ubona laphaya. Mase usungenile sisaqhubeka nawe healthcare, ucofa healthcare online about 3. Then we're going to do newer professionals. Newer professionals uphethe into eningi guys. Khona caregiver, khona udokotela, khona nurse. If you're interested to go and work in Ireland through newer professionals, they are hiring in different sectors. Here they're basically telling you ukuthi mayelana nani newer professionals, and then documents that you need. Kubalulekile ukufunda guys, please read here. I was just showing you website yabo. They also have testimonials from different people who have been there, who traveled through newer professionals. So line about 3 again, you just go and press jobs. Laphayana kuno job title. Sizobuyela-ke kuwona. Okwamanje guys, here are job opportunities that are currently available. Njengoba besengishilo ukuthi they have different job opportunities. Kuno caregiver, kuno nesi, kuno dokotela, kuno nje izinto eziningi that falls under healthcare that you can think of. Laphayana ku job cycle, you can actually write specifically umsebenzi ofuna. For instance, njengoba ngibhala la ukuthi nurse. So uma ngafuna ucinga lokho ehla, you just write the job title up there. Okay, for the sake of the video, we're just gonna make isibonelo quickly how to apply. So again, you press umsebenzi lo sukufuna kule msebenzi evelile laphaya, and then here they're just telling you guidelines and everything about lo msebenzi. And then they are also like showing you like information abayidingayo on their side. So here they are telling you about benefits, salary, travel expenses, 27 days of paid holidays plus 8 public holidays. Requirements bafunani nje, and then that's application form ezansi uyagcwalisa igama lakho, isibongo sakho, email address, inumber. Don't forget guys, laphayana number there, you need to make sure that you put South Africa, which is +27 code number yase South Africa, and then ufake number ya country of residence, ufaka South Africa, country of registration, ufake South Africa. Which countries are you interested in locating to? Australia, New Zealand, or USA. So uyagcwalisa, and then you must uqedile ukugcwalisa yonke into guys, nangiya usubmit laphana, please sign I consent, I agreement, and then you press submit.